Major bombshell was dropped. With this U.S. debt deal that's up in the air, let's take a dive deeper in some of the things that are in the bill. Now, one thing in particular that I want to take a look at is the proposed 30% mining tax on cryptocurrency. This has gotten completely nixed. Now, if you remember correctly, one of the things that Joe Biden was proposing was a 30% miner tax on all mining operations. Now, specifically, this particular type of tax was 30% on the electricity. So let's say you were paying 10 cents per kilowatt, you would now be paying 13 cents per kilowatt under this proposal. Would it have passed? It would have been 10% each year, year over year, over 3 years. Now, there was a lot of criticism over this proposal, and since then has been completely nixed. I personally am biased, but I think it's a good thing. Every little cent of margin counts towards everything. If anything, they should be giving them tax cuts, in my opinion, because of a lot of the miners are actually propelling independent energy more than anyone. Just look in Texas, they have a fully operational nuclear powered plant now. Say what you will, but capitalism breeds innovation. I know me personally, with my mining expenses, power is the #1 expense. And especially in the bear market, 30% tax would be astronomical. You would not be profitable by any stretch of the imagination. Now, as far as the bill goes overall, there's a lot of creators putting it out as though it's already a done deal. Just because it's bipartisan doesn't mean it's going to get passed. The fact of the matter, they are way past when they were supposed to have passed this thing. Congress is not even in session at this moment. There's a lot of people both on the left and on the right. Neither one are particularly happy. Now, often that's a lot how things go. You have to compromise. But ultimately, it looks like we're going to run out of money if it doesn't get passed by June 5th. Now, in order for it to get passed, it both needs to pass the House, then it needs to pass the Senate, and after that, finally, it would get passed by the president, putting it into law, raising the debt ceiling. Coincidentally, it's 31.4 trillion. They love that pi number, 3.14. They're nowhere near out of the woods yet, and personally, I think it's either way they go, either damned if they do or damned if they don't. Either way that they go, I think it's going to be good for Bitcoin. Either they raise it and money floods the market, or they actually real deal default and people dump the US dollar. This could cause them to flock to risk on assets. I would give this thing a 50-50 chance of getting passed. Just because this is how it's always been, this is how it's always be. Like, I don't think that that's good wisdom. But I'll keep you guys updated. I'll continue to dissect this bill. Check out my other video over here where I dive deep on what this means as far as the TA goes. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. I'm out.
Damn, hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy,
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, hustling, hustling.